Lois naye needs no introduction kubusa eMathebula wenza ihlelo sibukile breakfast show emkhatsheni kwekwezi. Namhlanje sine legend akubuzwa wafika la ngo2005 this year una 20 years. Hey guys, we're in the studios of Mngano Lonene FM no Auskhoni. She's doing the breakfast show no DJ Brian.
Oh yes.
Sikumngano Lonene FM. This time around sino Khensani. Kunjani?
Mfukile njani?
Na mina nifukile. So guys, namhlanje we are with a musician umvumi nguNano bekavakatshele isivukile breakfast show. Lotshani namhlanje sine farmer.
Yes.
Yeah, we're excellent.
Yebo.
Dila ngamaqanda.
Yes.
Abanye babasekeli bomkhatsho ikwekwezi. Usesingubani?
Sesinonhlanhla wakamgidi.
I'm with a businesswoman here, a farmer of note. Umangubani?
Uzaza okwalithulo.
Phuma ngase Queenstown ke mina ngubani wena?
I can see what they're doing, what he's doing. I can see it, I feel it. He's cooking.
Yanelisa. Jonga sine questions esifuna ukubuza zona already.
Okay.
Zingaki cents ku 1 rand?
Cents ku 1 rand. Score 100.
Yes.
Look at it.
99,000 plus 1 ingaki?
99,000 plus 1. It's 99,001.
And then 1 million minus 1.
1 million minus 1. It's 999,999.
Ulala.
Ngoketelele isentence nasi. Kukhanya
Ba!
osemsamo.
Liphose mnyango.
Wow.
Semsamo liphose mnyango.
Can you give me ama presenters I3 your favorites of all time kwekwezi?
Okay, umbuzana uBobo David noBusayi.
Ngubani minister agriculture in South Africa?
Ubaba John Steenhuisen. Yebo.
Minister we education, basic education.
Umiss Gwahube lindiwe uthiwa ngubani Gwahube. Igama lakhe ngiyalikhohlwa mara ngoka Gwahube.
We are cooking.
Ngisiphi isilwane esaziwa njengomngane omkhulu womuntu?
Inja. Yes.
And what vitamin do we get from the sun?
Vitamin D.
We are cruising nicely.
Okay, where's APC ujameleni?
South African Broadcasting Corporation.
This is business.
Hey.
6 plus 7 go 11 namkha go 11.
13.
Sithini isibongo saka Mandela? His surname.
Mandela.
99,000 plus 1 is ngaki?
99,001.
Who was the first person to walk on the moon?
Armstrong?
What vitamin do we get from the sun?
D.
What language do blind people speak?
Any language, their mother tongue, English, whatever language they learn.
Who's the most famous Ndebele person you know?
Gog Esther.
Into abangakhuluma ngayo ngami kukhamba amazwe kugwala kubamba isikhethu isiNdebele baza ngikhumbula ngalokho ngoba mina kenge ngisilahle isiNdebele.
Who is the captain of the Springboks?
Siyakolis.
Yes.
SABC ujameleni.
South African Broadcasting Corporation.
Next.
Malini i-subscription fee SABC Plus app.
It's free, hey? It's free, you just download.
Yes.
AI ujamele.
Artificial intelligence.
Yes.
Can name 5 big animals in South Africa or in Africa.
Indlovu, Kubezi, Leopardi, Buffalo, Angaga, Pele.
It's only one.
Rhino.
Easy.
According to the Bible, Noah took 2 each of animals into the ark. But how many human beings did he take with him?
8.
Can you name them?
Nguye nomkakhe nabantwana bakhe nabomkabo.
They've now learned.
uJona yamginya isikhathi esingangani iway?
Malanga 3.
And who betrayed Jesus Christ in the Bible?
Judas Iscariot.
Next.
What is the opposite of the word up?
Down.
Left?
Right.
Tired?
Fresh.
Sorry?
Like.
Gadanga emkhanyweni uzwe amandla ikwekwezi FM
Izinto zimoto yo
ikuphethe butshelela bukhanya ba